It's here, boys! Acheron's here! Get in your ships! Time to leave this sorry rumble behind!
You're daft! The Roomies didn't haul in all those fancy space forts just for laughs!
Yeah, anything that tries to fly past that world of yours is getting dackered out of the sky.
Fly past, you kids! We're flying through! I'm gonna crash Wes's gunship right into that space fort dump. Then, once we're on it, I'll dismantle its cannons one by one.
Raid a space fort, huh?
Without its cannons, we'll have a hole to sail all the boys straight through.
See? You lads can think like proper clever orcs. Now let's get started. Nice landing. Now for the plan. Step one! First thing we duff is these broadside cannons. That way, we can land boys from the same way we came. Step two! Then we hit those deck guns. That'll give us lots of room to drop in a war camp. Step three! We build a big war band and smash the huge forward cannons. Gretchen!
Here, boss!
Get yourself in those there hatches and under the deck. I want those cannons mangled from inside. Let's turn up the board.
What is it? Yeah! I'm there!
All unit operators detected. Deploying void troopers.
What's here?
Yeah! You ain't fine, boy! Send more questions to me before I run out!
Kill it!
You know this doorway is for sure! We need more books.
Go shoot it, slug in it!
It's a
We'll
bomb!
do it with a bang!
Man, they kill him before themselves! Door city! On my way! Not exactly cutting, but cool guts can make them work. Tired to be through.
Leg it, and I can hear anything with enough bullets!
If you ain't paid, pay for good!
Shoot that Delta car!
You know this claw ain't just
You got your shooter, boy!
All you need is what we need to do. Are you sure this is safe? You loyal? Proper Gretchen's in it. Miss these cannons!
Let's get more
Stop it!
shooting!
I'm running out of grots again!
Gather scrap for some...
Miss these cannons! It looks dark down there.
Cannons down! Bring in the lads! Go! Time for step two! Those big cannons are keeping us from dropping in a war camp.
Macro cannons offline. Platoon Xerxes to investigate.
You got going? Moving, showcase!
Yeah! What we sorting? You don't send a boy to do knobs work.
Who are you gonna call?
Thought of the day.
Let's put
Only
these
you can
things
prevent
shop
heresy.
somewhere. His claws one of a kind. I killed to make a maiden, see? I'll find us a fight.
We turn gits to scrap!
Big slug for big slug eggs.
All hands, repel the Ork orders.
You also have a trick or two.
Gonna take you on that!
Whoa, only lost the noise.
Got something to do with a bag! Come in, legend!
I'm on my way to do some work.
Small fight with the enemy. I'm north of your position.
Yeah. That's fine. I saw it first.
Hey, they're fighting with us!
You're set for demolition.
Got that done!
What are you making, kid?
Get out of here!
Alert. All platoons converge on Ork hostiles.
Where's the boss's hand, big kids?
Here we go! Let's loot! That's handy! Boss's march! So we march!
I've got
Your elite boys are ready to fight, boys. You just say the word.
We turn gits to scrap!
You know this claw ain't just for show. We're going blast on the warpath. No bucking. Get moving. I'm on foot claw.
In combat situation.
Yeah. No bucking. Get moving.
Thought of the day.
It's a hurting on
Only you can prevent heresy.
Boss's march! So we march!
We're down a requisition generator.
What you need
Stop
exploding?
those gears proper.
That'll be. I can hear you, right?
Say the order, boss. What's here? Righto! These vents are locked up. We can't get in.
Hey, there ought to be some sort of control box near there for opening, though.
It's killing me, you hear?
Thought of the day. Only you can prevent heresy.
Where's Mecca? We're pushing buttons on this box, but nothing's happening.
But that's 'cause you gotta hack it.
Hacking?
Quiet!
Swing your choppers, lads!
I'm too old to be slugging up.
Hacking's open. You know what to do, Grot.
Oh yeah! I'm just the good stuff, that's mine!
Warp on me way! I had a vision of fighting this! They'll build a strike!
Oh, boy, sorted!
Grots will mucker up these cannons. Righto! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Does it have to be me? Are you sure this is safe? Hey, all moving this time. Mangle that cannon!
Get on, Bishop, sounds like a dare.
Reminder, Starboard exhausts are not a appropriate last rifle charging station.
If you ain't fighting dirty, you ain't fighting all.
Got something I can shoot at now, do ya?
I've got a
All
plan for
you
you
need, what we need to do.
What? Now? Gorgon's legging eggs! Oh, shut off!
Our chapter master demands your head, Ork.
Your boss too scared to fight me himself.
Let's get more shooting! One shot, one kill now! Shot, one series loading!
Well, that was a fire kill to make the maiden see.
Every day makes you, you daffy! Dead Baron says you like him!
And you can trust your boss to find the best fight.
Who are you gonna call?
I'm Johnny Talbot.
Thought of the day. Only you can prevent Harry.
Now we're flash!
Tank Busters is here!
Got something in mind, boss?
Guarding is yours. For those bits of for knobs only. I'll try him a trick or two. Damage in the way to do some crushing. Look here. We're big and green and made. Take this, you kids! Move it!
All hands repel all
No
orders.
voice here for wounded other ass, you kids! I've got a plan for you too!
What, that's not it, man! Get in! Down they go! I ain't working for cheap!
Done right, done wrong. Just don't know. Cutting is your job. Go! That's if you and I lead, Orks follow.
I'm Johnny. What's the job, boss?
What we saw.
Well, I thank you, what busted!
We're the boss's handpicked gigs.
We go in, we go in! You just bring them to me. You gotcha! Yeah!
Who are you gonna call? Here we go!
Don't let this lot look us. You know this claw ain't just for... I'll find us a fight.
Boss says this way!
We're big right to the thick of it. I've got on my way. This better take us to head busting.
Requisition generator done.
Boss gives us the
Requisition generator done.
We got them!
What can hold you off me? I'll give him a beating. They'll build a strike. Look at these odds to the front.
this claw ain't just... I will Don't voice yet, but we'll get something. Oi! You lot! You're stupid!
No! A requisition general...
Hey! Another hedgehog!
All this racket! Yeah, I'm coming!
Power generator juiced up.
Sail!
The kids are hurting our requisition generator.
Let's put the cover as you gets! Yeah! Kill them all! Man, they kill the phony! What's his hand, big dicks?
Only you can prevent
Try your boss to find the best line!
What now?
Can we stop a fight? You ain't fuck no fuck! Get them! Clean the block!
These cannons!
This claw's one of a kind! We got kill them shoppers! I'm running out of what's again! You don't send a boy fine! You lot! Don't voice yet, but we'll get something going!
It's landed, boss, but it's scary. Someone come get us!
Nothing else but a
All this racket, more scrap! The scrap will shoot me!
Oh, Sam, on my way!
Got something I can shoot at now, do ya?
It will go! What we saw? You forgot about those weapon drops! They ain't gonna round up themselves! What now?
Upgrade is done.
What's that? My plan ain't gonna perform itself!
Kaboom! Yeah? My rate's just up. Sick 'em, squiggy! Let's get more shooting!
If you ain't fighting, you're standing straight I'll find us some fights! You forgot about those wedging drops! They ain't gonna round up themselves! Gorgon slagging eggs!
The kids are hurting our requisition generator.
On my way to losing
Thanks! I ain't from there, eh?
Let's put don't order us around like Gorgon slagging eggs!
A requisition generator got smashed. What is a requisition generator?
We're big and fine! You lot, you're stupid! It's Kyle! You forgot about those wedging drops! They ain't gonna round up themselves!
Loyal, proper dredging here for you, boss.
You know this
Dredging
claw
oil?
ain't just for trust your boss to find the best line!
This is scary.
Yeah!
Sabotage! All done!
Was he thinking it?
Time to drop a war camp down into this mess!
They'll cost you, boss, but you're elite for small fire.
War camp! Here he comes! Now let's get cracking on a proper warband!
How high you want it, boss? Really? Me?
We got that resource point in hand, boss.
You want it bound? Tango! What is it? How high you want it, boss? Does it have to be
A
now?
what? A very small fight with the enemy. Up north of your position.
I've got a plan for you two.
Point assumed. Converge on Ork hostiles.
I'm Google. You're spinning. On my Google, so
Boys, this depot sounds good.
I'll wait till you see the
Requisition generator done.
time to be brutal.
Look at old Jack Loggins.
If you ain't fighting dirty, you ain't fighting Orky. The Yumi's got a mech yard here. How about some looting?
We'll get it. It's killing me, you hear? Dale, I can hear you, right?
Big and up in here.
Power generator juiced up.
I heard that TV can't probably switch to rocket.
Upgrade that custom jug wheels. Power generator listening post is taking herds.
Mountain boss. Rocket mode off. I'll kill when I get there. Yeah, let's get bloody. Fine. Do you know who says it? I This better be worth it.
A listening post is getting hit. Rounding up shooters. A listening post is taking herds.
Say the order, boss. You want it built? You get it built in.
We got shooter boys ready to get shooting.
Oh, I'm scrapping up those rockets. This'll slow down. See me armor.
New shooter boys is here.
Needs more cunning touch, don't ya?
Upgrade finished. What our is finished.
Alert.
These boys
All
are
platoons
true.
converge on Ork hostiles.
Oi! We're switching to rockets.
A listening post is getting hit. New mother boys is here.
Probably switch to rocket. Yeah, I'll try and retrieve that.
A listening post is taking herds.
But the boss says march! So we march.
What now, you big dog?
This is good for slaying.
How's that knocking all tight?
Sound it, boss.
A listening post is getting hit.
Job's wrapped. Anything to kill over there?
The listening post is gone.
Got something urgent, didn't I?
The kid smashed the power generator.
This better take us to head busting.
With the requisition generator.
Going mean.
Let's get more shooting!
Where to? Take what's worth taking.
Starfort exhaust.
You God, we get
Starfort
picking the
appropriate
ring.
last rifle charging station.
Please.
Rounding up a new shooter move.
We're the bone us around like runts. Can we stop the fighting?
Boss, we got sewer boys ready to get shooting.
This better be there. Fine. I do great anywhere. See you got it, boss.
New shooter boys is here.
Reminder. Starford exhausts are not appropriate las rifle charging stations.
Series to the fire!
We might want to take that point.
Yeah, let's get bloody. Console smash. Get it right. You got something these doing? Get up. Going big.
Power generator juiced up. Small fight with the enemy. Northwest of your position.
Oh, no, they make shimmies tougher than that.
Rounding up a new Gretchen mob. Right, Gretchens, watch yourselves. Buzz, Gretchens are...
Under deck we go!
The new Gretchen mob is here.
Oh, what a fight! Even just walking on a flash.
This is scary!
Hit me! Now they're gonna make me mad! Dog it! I'm running out of grots again! Now we can round up more Gretchen using the war cam! Let's put these shots. Oh, what a fight!
Tampering finished!
Even just walking on a flash.
Watch out! A requisition generator is getting hit!
Smash them dead!
A requisition generator got smashed!
Visual confirmed. The Xenos have established a base on Cal.
All hands report.
Are you here?
Ow! A power generator got smashed!
Shooting! Let's get hiding!
Counted, boss! I'm too old! Console smashed! Getting runs! Enemy in the field over there! Land ain't uniform himself! Don't send them! Come on, you gents! We've got somebody here!
I'm going sweat.
Begin to fighting our war towers!
Weird in that! Oi! We've been invincible! It's a hold though! But only because you said there might be fighting!
Then messing with our war tower
All
got
hands
smashed!
repel Ork borders.
Houston, there's war to be had!
Rounding up Crutch!
Got something in mind, boss? Duck it!
Right, Gretchens, watch yourselves! Buzz, Gretchens are ready. Small fire, just west of your position. New Gretchen mob is here. Right, Gretchens, watch yourselves. Buzz, Gretchens are ready.
I'll kill till I get there! What now? Rip you apart! Who's next? What we sorting?
Alert. All platoons converge on Ork hostiles.
Small fight with the enemy, just west of your position.
This is scary!
We just got it ready! Leg it in this way! Yeah, let's get bloody! Good job! These guys everywhere! Dead free! Don't you fool with guns! Last thing standing in my way!
Rounding up shooters.
Oi! BB, you've been on it, boss!
Boss, we got shooter boys ready to get shooting. The kids are hurting our requisition generator.
Something I can shoot at now, do ya?
We are throwing down our requisition generator.
You know this? Spell it up,
What is shooting?
The kids smashed the power generator. They are
Alert.
trying
All
to take
platoons
our
converge
resource
on Ork
points.
hostiles.
Long scrap. What? Give me a go. Can't get struck for being off.
You shoot the boys is here. Requisition generator down.
Squeak that one!
No, this ain't. Only goes. I'll kill till I get there. This better be worth it.
I'm bleeding!
That one's dead. Oi! We're switching to rockets.
Killing me, you hear? You're nothing special.
Power generator juiced up. Power generator juiced up.
Can we stop the fire? Sounds it, boss! Rocket mode off! I'll try a trick or two! Quiet! Those boys slip, but we'll be tightness, you kids!
Let's get more shit on deck of that!
How about we spend some of his power?
Exhaust are not appropriate last rifle charging station.
Jab-noggin will give her a go.
Always this better take us to head busting.
Round it up, shooters!
Going main. You go there? I can fight anywhere.
Rounding up a new Gretchen mob!
Let's get our against the gym, bro! Go so let's get to the front!
Fire me! Just west of your position!
This better be worth. Got it,
Right,
boss.
Gretchens, watch yourselves! You shoot the boys is here! New Gretchen mob is here! Right, Gretchens, watch yourselves! Boss, Gretchens are ready! Small fight with the enemy, just west of your position! Rounding up Crutch!
This is your boss, we will say now! Hit it!
New Gretchen mob is here!
Thought of the day. Only you can prevent heresy.
Through the light of beauty.
Wait till they get
We're
over.
attacking our war camp!
Make him a way over.
Let there be that space.
I'm going straight on.
Loyal, proper Gretchen. It looks dark down there.
Deep strike complete here.
They'll give me.
On the deck we go!
Oh, what a fight!
What's he thinking here? Come here.
Are you sure this is safe?
They're attacking our war camp!
I'll give him a beating.
What? Miss these
You
cannons!
lot, you're stupid! Now this boat's toothless! Signal the war to go!
Coron is overrun, Lord Inquisitor. The quarantine here will not hold.
There's no choice. Signal for Blood Ravens.
Right, we got one. Now we got 8.
Back to the ship! We're legging it! Punch it, Wes!
Punching up the jets!
Echo on! Here we come!